The wonderful thing about Wildwood is I've been a part of this community for over 23 years or more. And I owned a home in the area, and I would come here and shop at the grocery. I would come and walk around the pond, feed the ducks, bring my children here. So for 23 years, and I also had a doctor here as well. So I would see the doctor on campus, and I would watch the individuals come and set their weekends up, and I'd see them outside on the porches getting some sun in the mornings. And I thought, someday I want to be a part of that. Over time, we moved to a different area, so we're still in the Chattanooga area, which has been great. So I can still make it here to shop every week for my groceries and feed the ducks and see my doctor on a regular basis, which is great. Something had happened in my life where I realized I needed a reset. My children had grown up and moved away. I had empty nest. We're in our 60s, and my health had been a factor. And I checked into the program. It was the mental health program, and I made the commitment and decided it was time. And my husband said, go for it and do it. When we arrived, they get you settled into your room, and part of the program that I was in, they removed all media. And I have been attached to my phone for a long, long, long time. I have my own business. I have many things that are connected to me. And I relinquished it with no problem. And I'm glad I did. So for the duration of 11 days, I was able to focus on me, to pray with God, to relax, to enjoy foods that I've not eaten, fixed by an amazing chef, foods that were just satisfying. And I learned to eat on a different schedule. I was able to go to sleep at a better time at night and get a full 8 hours of sleep and felt rested and hydrated. So many lovely things. So the phone was taken away for the 11 days, and I didn't miss it. And then also the caffeine, I was able to come off of caffeine, and that's huge. And I will continue to be off of caffeine. People that have seen me now that I've been home for a few days, people that come to see me have said, Bonnie, there's a calmness about you, and there's something in it, and I know what it is. I mean, it's the whole process. It's the prayer, it's the food, it's the love, it's the hydro. Everyone that works here cares and holds space for you in a place that I've never experienced before, and I've watched it from afar, and I'm so grateful that I got to be a part of this. It's the best investment that you'll ever make. 11 days, there's 25 days, and I think there's also a 7-day program. So each one, I'm sure, envelopes everything that you need. I would highly recommend it. I think the space that everybody deserves in their life for something like this is important, and it's made me a better and stronger person by coming here. Wildwood is a piece of my heart. It will always, I don't mean to cry. It will always be a piece of my heart, and I hope my journey here is not the last journey to come here. I want to be a part of this community, and I would love to share my story and help others. Wildwood is the place to come. Lots of love here.